Hey everyone, today I'll tell you how to put a Visa gift card on iPad. First, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. You can check for updates in the Settings app under General and then Software Update. Launch the App Store on your iPhone. The App Store icon is typically a blue icon with a white A. In the top upper right corner of the App Store, you should see your profile pictures or initials. Tap on it to access your account. Scroll down until you find the Redeem Gift Card or Code option. Tap on it. You will have the option to either enter the gift card code manually or use your device camera to scan the code. If you have a physical card, scratch off the label to reveal the code. If you choose to enter the code manually, type in the 16-digit code. If you are using the camera, align the code within the frame, and your iPhone should automatically recognize and redeem it. And that's how you can put a Visa gift card on your iPad. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.